Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete saved trips on Google Maps so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Maps app. Make sure you have the latest version installed so everything runs smoothly. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This opens up the main menu where all your Google Maps settings are located. Step 3. From that drop-down menu, find the Settings option and tap on it. This section controls how Google Maps behaves and stores your preferences. Step 4. Now scroll down the Settings menu until you see Saved Trips or Saved Trip Settings, depending on your version. Tap on it to access your saved travel plans. Step 5. Inside that section, look for the Delete Saved Trips option. Tap on it, then confirm by pressing the Delete button, and just like that, you've deleted your saved trips on Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.